Hey guys, Happy New Year! Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do the DIY reverse canvas. So let's get started. I'm going to flip and face down the right side of the canvas and place my ruler on top side of it. Then I'm using my X-Acto knife to slice the canvas on all four sides. Gently remove the canvas from the wood. I am staining the wood, and this one is in Espresso by Minwax. I will link the info below in the description box in case any of you needed it. I am just using a foam brush for this and lightly brush the stain onto the wood. Then I take an old cloth and just wipe down the excess stain and let it dry for about 20-30 minutes. Once the frame is dry, I lay the canvas and frame so I can see the placement of the vinyl. Everything looks good, so I take my iron and start pressing in sections. Gently remove the backing of the heat transfer vinyl. I am putting the frame back as a reference so I can see the placement for my other pieces. Now that I'm done with all the placements of the vinyl, I use a hot glue gun to put the frame and canvas together. I am using my ruler and X-Acto knife to slice the excess canvas on all four sides. My last step would be putting these sawtooth picture hangers. And there we have the DIY reverse canvas. Alright you guys, if you guys like this video and you want to see more, don't forget to click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I wish you guys a Happy New Year.